Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for Friday, July 7. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is calling on CARICOM to move crime and violence further up on its agenda of issues to tackle within the region. The Prime Minister cites a 2013 study by the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime as the reason for his call. According to the study, 10 of the most violent countries are in the Caribbean region. Mr. Holness reasoned that murders, guns and homicides were common challenges facing the region and required a combined force.
I think that if our governments were to pool our collective resources in terms of analyzing the problem, looking at the epidemiology of the problem, that we may be able to put in place synergistic solutions that could attenuate, if not bring a resolution to these problems.
Prime Minister Holness also revealed that he had committed to having a report ready for the next CARICOM intersessional meeting scheduled for Haiti in February 2018. He was speaking with the JIS News following the third and final day of the 38th regular meeting of the Conference of Heads of Government of CARICOM in Grenada. Government's revenues are expected to receive greater protection with the recent signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between the Revenue Protection Division and Crime Stop Jamaica. Under the agreement, the entities will collaborate on areas of training and information sharing to minimize corruption and improve revenue collection. The pact will also provide persons with another secure channel to anonymously report allegations of corruption, bribery, fraud, or acts of malfeasance. Citizens are encouraged to help the Revenue Protection Division by calling 1-888-225-5773 or Crime Stop at 311. The Ministry of Education is moving to tackle antisocial behavior among students. An agreement has been signed with the United States Agency for International Development, USAID, for a $3 million grant to support the Safety and Security in Schools project. It will be coordinated by the National Education Trust over the next 2 years.
We look forward through the National Education Trust as you spearhead the management of this project with the partnership with our ministry, that this will be a worthwhile engagement and that we will be able to lessen some of the challenges that we are having in schools.
The project will aid in controlling access to school compounds by installing or repairing perimeter fencing. It will also address the possession of weapons and other contraband in schools through the use of security monitoring equipment and increasing the number of security personnel assigned to institutions. Citizens of the Hagley Park Road area of Southwest St. Andrew and its environs are celebrating the opening of their fully renovated health center. The Type 3 Health Center was officially opened on Tuesday after extensive renovation at a cost of $42 million. It was financed by the National Health Fund. The Hagley Park Road Health Center is the third to be completed over the past 12 months in the Southeast Health region.
It is what we want to do to take primary health care to communities like this one across the country. I want to commend the work that has been done. It's a lovely facility. It has increased your drug serve so you can get medication more promptly, and that's important because waiting time is a challenge in the system, and we're trying to correct that by offering more options.
While calling on persons to protect the facility, the health minister urged them to use the services to improve their general health and well-being. And finally, heads of government industry ministers and small business operators from across the region are to participate in the upcoming inaugural Caribbean MSME Conference. Dubbed Collaboration for Caribbean Sustainability, it will be held at the Hilton Rose Hall Resort and Spa in Montego Bay from July 19 to 21. The conference will present opportunities for small business associations to better serve and support economic growth while creating a space to address areas critical to the sustainability and livelihood of MSMEs within the region. President of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, Hugh Johnson, says the three-day event will include meetings, plenary and breakout sessions focusing on MSME financing, policy framework to facilitate growth locally and regionally, and matters related to trade within the region.
And we see this as the way forward in getting to know each other, to interrelate with each other, and also to do a demonstration, an expo of our goods and services, that we may be able to patronize each other's services throughout the region. We see this as a workable solution in moving the sector forward.
Mr. Johnson was addressing a JIS think tank this week. The SBAJ, in conjunction with the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, will be hosting the conference. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Carrie Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.